Thank you for joining me on exercise 1B. I'm going to be looking at question 8. Question 8 says, Jung Ho earned €38,000, when he started his first job in the year 2000. So I'll put in the year 2000. He received a raise of $500 each consecutive year. Well, this is like the first term of an arithmetic sequence. And therefore the common difference is 500. So it goes up by 500 each year. Determine how much he earned in 2017. Well, be careful here, because if 2000 was in fact the first year and 2001 is in fact the second year, what will 2017 be? Let's just take off. Let's only have 3 dots. What is 2017? Well, you can see it's the second, one more than 2001. First is one more than the 0 here. So we're looking for the 18th term. So be careful there. It looks like it's going to be the 17th term, but that's going to catch a lot of students out. So just be careful whenever we're dealing with questions like years and consecutive years and the 18th year. All right. So let's have a look at that. Therefore, the 18th term is what we're looking for. And so that's the first term plus n minus 1 lots of d. Now, I will just put the rule to start with. The rule is the nth term. Okay. So we want n equals 18, so we'll put an 18 here and an 18 there. D is 500, so we'll put a 500 here. And the first term is 38,000, so we'll put 38,000 there. So let's do that. The nth term is the 18th term. The first term is 38,000. And we want 18 minus 1 lots of 500. So we've got 38,000, our first year, plus 17 increments at 500 each. And so we've got 38,000 plus 7 5s are 35, 500 5 8 plus 8,500. And so we've got 46,500 euros will be the payment. So I'll just say is, what's the word say? Evaluate in, oh no, we've got determine how much he earned in 2017. So is the salary in 2017. Now the next part of the question said, and I just noticed, evaluate in which year he would earn 50% more than his original salary for the first time. Well, let's just work out what is 50% more. So 50% of 38,000 is 19,000, and we want 19,000 more. Well, you can do this a few ways. You could just do it using logic and say, well, to get 500 a year, you would need 38 lots of 500 to get 19,000. So we need 38 more years on top of 2,000. Therefore, 2000 plus another 38 increments, so plus 38 more years is, we're talking about the year 2038. The other way is to use the formula what n value, and we want plus n minus 1 d's. We know that we've got 38,000 to start with, and what n value, if you get 500 every year, will take you to the value of, that was 19,000 extra, and 19,000 extra means 38,000 plus 19,000. So we're dealing with $57,000. So we want $57,000 to be our nth term. So we'll take that 38,000 across to be subtracted. So it's 57,000 minus 38,000 equals n minus 1 times 500. And that gives us 19,000. Take the 500 across to be divide. So we've got 5 goes into 190. $380. Is that right? That's wrong. 5 goes into 190 only 38 times. Okay, that's better. So we've got take away 1, put that 38 plus 1, therefore n equals 39. And did it say what year? It said evaluate which year. Well, if n was 38, the 38th, n was 39, so the 39th year, just like we had at the start, is 2038, because the first year was 2000, so the 38th year was 2038. I think this section is a little bit quicker. It's like logic is a little bit faster, and if you had to do all this setting out, it takes longer. Up to you. I hope this has helped. Till next time, stay happy.